Hey friends, today we're going to be doing a reset to factory default settings on this Samsung Gear S watch. The model number is actually back here on the back. It's the SMR750A. And yeah, basically when you're doing this, remember to sync all of your data if you want to keep it. Doing this is actually going to reset it to that factory default. And when you set it to factory defaults, again, you need to sync it up again with your watch. It's going to be basically reboot it to an unpaired setting, erase all the data, and put you on a nice clean settings. I'm selling this watch, which is why I'm doing this. If you just need to do a reset, basically you can power the watch on and off by holding the home button down here. Again, what we're going to be doing is factory defaults. So let's go ahead and get into that now. Basically what you're going to do is swipe up, and this is going to bring us to our app menu. And down at the bottom, you can see there's a little app called Settings. I'm going to click on the settings here, and that is going to bring us up a few things. We're going to scroll down here to the bottom, and you can see there's an option that says Reset Gear. I'm going to click on that. Again, it's going to give us this warning that says all data will be cleared from your gear memory. You basically can then go and reconnect it. So yeah, again, make sure you have everything reset and synced up. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, it's starting that factory data reset. It takes roughly a couple minutes, not too long. This thing will recycle, and when it powers back on, I'll show you basically the home screen. Okay, you can see the watch is now powering back up. There was a little blue reboot option that came up in that top right-hand corner. Okay, the watch has now come on with this screen here. You can see it says installing the new configuration. This takes another minute or so, and it'll bring us to that fresh home screen. Okay, and when it reboots back on, as you can see, it basically says you're ready to install this on a new mobile device. So there you go. That's basically how you reset to factory default settings. Again, you'll have to walk through the setup process on the watch once you reboot it like this. Or in my case, I'm going to be shipping it out to the new customer so they can do that on their device as I've sold it. All right, hope that helps, friends. Hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos on tech coming up real soon.